Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Vechain video update for Sunday 14th of August. And we're looking for Vechain to basically make some moves to the upside, right? So this is you don't get freaked out with the arrows right now. So what I'm going to do is remove the arrows at the moment, and let's talk about what Vechain has done here. That's something really amazing. Okay, so you do have a touch right there, you do have one touch right here, one touch right there. You can see that this was a trend line that you really broke out of, and you have the whole pattern up here. So what you want to see for Vechain right now is if Vechain comes down to backtest this line that it never really backtested. It probably can happen in the next coming few days, that you're looking for this pullback down to 3162. Hold the pullback, cut a little bit deeper, and then from there you're looking for Vechain to really pop to the upside. And we're talking about a price movement of nearly 42% move to the upside. And that's pretty much it for this video right now. And if this video gets like 50 likes, hopefully I'm going to be doing some regular analysis once again on Vechain. So do make sure your comments is going to speak louder, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.
Hey, can I tell you something real quickly? There's this subscribe button right here. Once you click that, there's a bell icon as well, and I want you to click that. Secondly, if you want to be a part of our signals agreement group and you want to actually take my signals and when I trade, you can click on this video, on the link in the description of the video, and you can join the signals agreement for $10 per month. Or maybe you don't want to actually the signals, then you want to actually learn the way I trade, then click on this link here, Atom Coins, and you are gonna go to this trading course, and we have 42 different topics, 18 hours of contents to make sure that you never lose a trade again anymore. It's actually $49, okay? If you look at it, it's $49, but there's one more thing. What you want to do is actually click on the Discord link here. Once you do that, you're going to actually join our Discord link, and we do have so many different coin chats right over here, from Bitcoin all the way to Solana to Vechain all the way to Luna Classic. It's absolutely free of cost, and all you want to do is you want to go to this channel called Announcement, click on the announcement, click on my name, and drop me a message, and I'm gonna give you a discount of $20 from this course, and you can get it for $49, and it's yours. Trade safe, trade careful. Bye.